The northern part of Nigeria are seriously waking up now, knowing the problem they have is their leaders. I want you to watch this video. And the Hausa people now want to identify themselves, differentiate themselves from Funanis. He said that Funanis are hiding under Hausa, committing many crimes in Nigeria. I'm going to bring you two videos for you to put the video together. Just watch the two videos for you to know that that is this Hausa and Fulani thing. Very soon it will become a talk of the day. The Hausas really want to differentiate themselves from the Fulanis, and now in other way hand, many northern youth are waking up to realize that the real problem they have is not bridge. They say they need infrastructure so that they will go back to work and stop begging in the streets. Just watch the videos, and before I will come back and say something very, very important.
The Fulanis are hiding under Islam. They are confusing our people, especially the Hausas. They are confusing our people. All the imams in Nigeria, especially the northern part of Nigeria, all of them are Fulanis. They are confusing our people because they don't want us to think for ourselves. They always want us, anything they tell us, whether good or bad, we should just follow them. This thing, it has to come to an end. Gaskiya. So Hausa people, please and please, my people, you people you have to differentiate between religion and culture and language. We have to differentiate that, because we mix everything together. We mix Islam, we mix everything, we mix religion, not matter of Islam, because they even put hate on us. Anybody that is not Muslim, we should not like him, especially the people that are Christian or any religion that are Hausas. They call us Maguzawa, non-religionists, and it's a lie. Just it's a propaganda, because they want to rule us every day. We are like a slave to them. It's not that enough. Now they are killing our people each and every day. They are killing our people each and every day. And their people are not talking. Minister, everything has to do with politics. They are the one. Katsina is Hausa land. The people that are doing governor, like the one I know since I grew up, all of them are Fulanis. The 4 governors are Fulanis. Why? Kano is only one Hausa. All of them are Fulani. Even vice governor is Fulani.
Babu 6-pack. Talk life.
Dear Northern Nigerian governors, we do not want bridge again. Mungaji da gada, gadoji gada. Everywhere you go, everybody is doing flyover. Everybody is doing bridge. That is not a sign of development. Please build infrastructures, build factories, and did they swear for us that we cannot own factories in the north? We used to have gum factory in Zamfara. We used to have factories in the north. Now all of them have packed up. It's just building bridge. Is it a taboo for state governments to own that processing plant where people can take their granules and they will come out with kwarere mangeda and seen manene? Like, what's the problem? It's so embarrassing. We don't have good schools. Our children cannot speak good English, but our own is to be building bridge. I tagada and a flyover. In fact, it's even a thing of Anna Bagu Anna. You know, we are becoming proud. We are bragging about the numbers of bridge. Kano, we say we have the highest number of flyover. Adamawa State have joined them. Them too, they have flyover. They did not swear for northern Nigeria. Please. Alex Oti has given you can do solar plants. You can do alternate power supply aside PHCN. You can do tractor renting facilities. Bring tractors and keep. And then people that want to farm can come and borrow tractors. You can build schools. You can do public-private partnership with individuals, well-meaning northerners that are willing to invest. Please leave this bridge alone. Without one bridge, Mungajibama so haba.